So this is what it looks like. 15 minutes. This looks amazing. And now I gotta have seconds. First, we got our linguine. I just broke it up. I put almost the whole package. Next, add your chopped up carrots. 1 chopped zucchini. Chopped mushrooms. Chopped green onions. Chopped broccoli. And chopped onions. Alright, now we're gonna add some sauces to the mix. Some sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, and some cornstarch. Add some red pepper flakes. A nice spoonful of garlic. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 2 spoonfuls of sesame oil. Do a spoonful of olive oil. You can use any kind of oil you like. And a good helping of soy sauce, about 1/4 cup. Alright, America, what I do next is I get 4 cups of warm water and I make my own chicken broth. Tomato bouillon. Get 4 cups of warm water and wait till the seasoning dissolves. You make yourself 4 cups of chicken broth. Pour your 4 cups of broth. Turn up your heat. Add your chicken breast. You're going to put the lid on. You're going to stir this every 2 to 3 minutes and make sure it doesn't stick. So we've got the heat on, we've got all the ingredients in, and I'm just going to give it a nice stir because we don't want the noodles to get stuck to the bottom. Give it a nice stir. Cover it. So while you're waiting for that to get cooked up, go ahead and have yourself a nice cherry Coke. Cheers, friends. You just want to stir it every 2 to 3 minutes for 15 minutes. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. It's still a little watery, but you can see it's cooking down. I love this meal because it smells really good, and you can put whatever vegetables you like in here. And I just like that you can put it all in one pot and it only takes 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's check our lo mein. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's ready! It was so good. I couldn't wait for John or Eliza, and now I gotta have seconds. Wow, friends, this looks amazing. Let me know if you try the recipe. Thanks, friends!